students. Welcome to your English class. As you know, in the previous video, we have learned about the story Monkey's Day Out. In this story, we have seen that how monkeys annoy the firemen and how they play basketball and how they take shower and the firemen how chase them. So basically monkeys enjoyed their day and they make lots of fun. You can see in these pictures clearly that how monkeys are enjoying their day and the firemen they are also playing carom. So we will continue this chapter from the next para. The firemen did not have far to go. It was a call from down the street where a ladder was needed to get some monkeys off a building. But when the engine arrived, a policeman took one look and shook his head in consternation. That's not possible. They are bringing more. So this para meant that the fireman didn't go very far from the building because someone was calling him from the street. Street means gully. Street means gully. Where a ladder, there was a needed a ladder to get off the monkeys from the building. But when engine arrived, a policeman looked once at the building and shook his head in very annoyance. Shook means अपने head को हिलाता है वो. And he was very annoyed, बहुत परेशान होता है. That's not possible. What he said that that's not possible because they are bringing more. Because there are many more monkeys. They were increasing. And next, you can see in this picture, children, that how the firemen blow out the fire. And he is very annoying. Now, you can imagine the plight of the firemen as they tried to chase away the horde of monkeys. While the monkeys had a great time, sometimes clinging to the fire engine bell, opening the hose pipe and making funny faces at the firemen. All this while men, women and children stood on the far side of the street enjoying every minute of the crazy scene. So children, can you imagine how the difficult situation it was? Plight means परेशानी की situation थी वो. And the monkeys, they are enjoying their day. And the firemen, they were chasing all the monkeys. Sometimes firemen, they annoyed. And sometimes monkeys clinging to the fire engine. Clinging means hold on, gripped. किसी चीज़ को तेज़ी से पकड़ लेना. They rang the bell on the engine and sometimes they open the hose pipe. Hose pipe means water pipe, पानी का pipe. And sometimes they make their bad faces in front of the firemen. And every man and woman who was standing outside the building, outside in the street, they enjoying every minute. They were watching every scene, every craziness of monkeys, and they enjoyed very much. As you can see in this picture, children, a fireman is blowing out the fire and they are very worried. And the people are enjoying each and every minute. So next, after they had enough of excitement, they were very excited. The monkeys were very excited. The monkeys simply vanished. Vanished means गायब हो जाना. the way they had come. It turned out to be a Sunday morning full of woe for the firemen and full of fun for the monkeys. So the Sunday was very woeful. Women's children sad for the firemen and full of excitement and with the full of fun it was for the monkeys, and they have gone. He went from where they went from where he came. So children, hope you will like it and you will understand how that monkeys enjoyed their day and how they entertain the people and how they annoy all the firemen. Thank you so much.